belly button's supposed to be a center space. Okay? So that's a better position because you're much more open to swinging. If you have your foot like this,
Alright, so like
how are you going to swing from behind? So
Okay.
it's easier to swing this way.
Okay.
It's not comfortable, but that's a better way to swing the gun. Okay. I'll try anything.
Okay.
Oh.
There you go, Fred.
Nice. I recorded that one.
I got that one.
Me too.
Okay.
Oh.
Nice.
You figured it out.
Shoot another one before my battery goes dead.
That's perfect. He's spot on.
You killed him there, Fred.
He's got that. See, he's got his arm cocked
He's
also.
funny.
He's level.
I got him on that one. I recorded that one for him. Nice.
They can't get away from you here, Freddie.
See, you should have
I
shot
can't hear you.
6. I can't hear you.
I can't hear to begin with. I got these on.
Oh, he's killing him, man.
More on than that. You try the low house now.
No way. Low house?
Go to that station, try the high house again.